Let me ask you something. Is your business growing? That's great. But are the headaches with actually managing it growing right along with it? If you're tired of juggling a bunch of different systems and feel like all that complexity is just slowing you down, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful solution that's designed to bring some much-needed clarity, automation, and real modernization to your entire operation.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about those common growing pains that just about every modern business runs into. Then, we'll introduce Labonte ERP and see how its tailored solutions and core modules are built to solve those exact problems. We'll also check out how their packages scale up with you, and of course, we'll wrap up with how you can get started.
All right, let's kick things off with a question that probably hits pretty close to home for a lot of you. As your company gets more successful, does it ever feel like the sheer complexity of just running the business day to day is actually holding you back from growing it? You know the drill. You've got one software for sales, another one for your inventory, and maybe a totally different app for accounting. Getting them to actually talk to each other feels like a constant battle, right? And that really slows you down when you need to be quick and agile. It's like hitting a wall, an integration wall that so many growing businesses slam into. So, what's the solution? How do you break through that wall? Well, this is where Labonte ERP steps in. And look, this isn't just another piece of software. It's a complete platform designed to be your central partner in automating your business. What I find really interesting here is the philosophy behind the tech. Labonte isn't just trying to sell you a product. Their whole approach is about building a long-term partnership that's genuinely founded on trust. You know, in a world full of transactional tech companies, that focus on values really does stand out. And this right here, this gets right to the heart of what they do. Labonte delivers custom-built cloud ERP solutions. Now that word custom is so important. This isn't some one-size-fits-all off-the-shelf product. It's all about tailoring the technology to fit the unique DNA of your business. So how do they actually deliver all this power to you? They use a model called software as a service, or SaaS. What this means for you is simple. No huge upfront costs for hardware, no complicated installations. Instead, you get a super powerful, secure system you can access from anywhere, all for a predictable subscription fee. It lets you stop worrying about IT and focus on what you do best, growing your company. Okay, now a huge part of that custom approach is recognizing that every industry is different. I mean, a trading company works nothing like a restaurant, right? Labonte gets that, and they've built specific, tailored solutions to meet those unique demands head-on. For example, if you're in the textile business, you're dealing with all sorts of complex supply chains and materials. Well, Texmate is engineered from the ground up just for those workflows, bringing real efficiency to every single part of your operation. Or maybe you're in the super fast-paced restaurant world. For that, there's Restopos. It helps you manage everything, from taking orders at the table to keeping track of your kitchen inventory, all in real time. The result? Things run smoother, and more importantly, your customers have a much better experience. And what about the printing industry? Deadlines are everything. Printmate is built to streamline that entire workflow, from scheduling a job all the way to the final delivery, making sure you hit those deadlines with precision every single time. And believe me, the list just keeps going, from manufacturing and trading to really specialized sectors like garage management, car rentals, even interior design. Labonte has clearly done its homework to understand the little details of a whole bunch of different industries. So you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce? What's the engine that's driving all of these specialized solutions? Well, let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the core business modules that act as the powerhouse for your whole operation. This chart lays it all out beautifully. Now, these aren't just separate tools. They are deeply interconnected modules that form one single unified system. Everything from managing customer relationships in sales and marketing to controlling your stock with purchase and inventory, it all flows seamlessly into your accounting. And that e-commerce and API module, that's a real game changer. It's the bridge that connects you to all your other digital platforms. This is how you finally get that 360-degree view of your entire business. Okay, so this all sounds incredibly powerful, but you might be thinking, is this the right fit for my business today? And that is such a critical question. It's one they answer with their scalable packages, which are literally designed to grow right alongside your company. You can start out small with the standard package, which is perfect for just getting the essentials nailed down. As your team gets bigger, you can move up to the essential and business tiers to get more advanced features like CRM. And then, for larger companies, the Pro and Ultimate packages unleash the full suite of enterprise-level power and automation. It's like a staircase for your success. This table gives you that perfect at-a-glance comparison. It clearly shows which package is best for where your business is right now and how many users you have. The idea isn't to make you overbuy for the future. It's about giving you a clear, predictable path to scale up as you succeed. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that you don't have to wait for the complexity to totally overwhelm you. The chance to streamline your operations and unlock a whole new level of efficiency is right here, right now. It's all about taking that next decisive step. Because really, at the end of the day, that's what this is all about. It's about tearing down those operational barriers and getting rid of all those manual processes that are holding you back so you can finally unlock the true potential of your business. So, are you ready to learn more? To get started, you can head over to their website at labiz.app. If you want to talk to a person directly, their primary contact number is +91 8129 494312. And of course, we have all the other contact details, including their corporate office, right here on the screen for you. So there you have it, a complete, scalable, and custom-tailored solution designed to solve the very real challenges of a growing business. The only question left is, are you ready to modernize? Thanks so much for watching.